Okay, taking a look at the VW crankshaft itself, it's a very short crankshaft. It still has the connecting rods attached. I haven't removed them as of yet, but I've just pulled this out of the cases, and I want to check to see, can I use this crankshaft? I want to see what available dimensional values are left on it, because I have no idea on the history of this engine. So I'm going to use another crank gauge tool. We used the one already in a prior video segment showing the usage of that cloverleaf tool for inspecting for the outside dimensional values for the case halves. Now we want to see, is the journal in good condition or has it been machined already? So using this crank radius gauge, we can look at the dimensions on it. We have STD, which is standard. We have a 1/4 mil oversize, 1/2 mil oversize, and 3/4 mil oversize. So in this particular case, we can put this tool onto the crank journal and determine whether we need to have it machined or whether we have to put different bearings in based on it already being machined to the different dimensions that we use on this gauge. Okay, so taking our crank gauge and assuming that we have a standard dimension on the journal, we can just drop this gauge on and see how it fits. It looks like there's no light around on the radius, and again, you can roll this thing around and look at it all the way around the diameter, but we're checking the radius to see, has it been machined within these dimensions. So I can check the adjacent crank journals all the way across the engine, or pardon me, across the crankshaft, and then determine what my next step is for installing new bearings or replacing the existing bearings based on the size.